We are here to share experience and to learn from Kenya's many success, especially in the home affairs, agriculture, tourism. We also want to further expand areas of economic and investment cooperation and explore the new opportunities.
The signing of a joint commission for cooperation between our two countries. And this JCC will provide a framework for us to explore the full range of economic opportunities, cultural opportunities, people-to-people exchange that is available between our two countries. And we now have a framework for that.